Answer and end calls with physical button. Go to your phone app. From keypad, tap on this three dot and tap on settings. Once you are in call settings, select answering and ending calls. And here you have to enable these options. Press volume up to answer calls and press side button to end calls. Once you successfully turn on these two options, now I'm going to making a call from my another phone. As you can see, I received a call. Now to receive this call with physical button, all you have to do is just press the volume up button. So here's the volume up button. And after pressing a single time, your call will be received. And now to end the call with physical button, just press the power button for one time and the call will be end. That's it.